Hello, in front of me I have LENOVO Phab 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the network settings on this device. Let's start by tapping on this icon right here to open the app menu, and then let's tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select backup and reset, and here let's select network settings reset. Now let's tap on reset settings and tap on reset settings again to confirm. As you can see, network settings have been reset, and that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.